What's good with y'all? What's good, man? We back with another video. Y'all can see today is the day, man. I'm about to get to it. It's ugly out here, but I think I got a 2-hour window before the rain come, so I'm about to try my luck, and I'm about to try to sit this engine in here, man. I'm tired of it sitting in the garage and all that, so man, I'm about to try to go ahead and throw it in there, cause I got me an engine horse now. But I was gonna do a tool review on the engine horse, but I changed my mind. I did one on toolbox too. I picked up a toolbox. I don't know if I was gonna post it or not. I don't know if y'all want to see it, cause it's just a toolbox, but I might just show it to you now. But yeah, this is it. When I picked up an engine horse, way too bright. Let me hold on. I got this too bright right here. Oh well. But anyway, picked up an engine horse, man, from Harbor Freight, man. So used to Harbor Freight. I got my toolbox from Harbor Freight over there. Just something simple for now, cause said y'all know we doing the home gym, trying to consolidate some of this stuff for right now till we get a new storage house. But got a new tool from Tractor Supply. Finally got an engine horse, man. Went ahead and got one. Folds up and all that good stuff. Got your storage rack for your handle. Pretty good. And trust me, I already done tested it. The issue was the arm or whatever. The arm not being long enough, but this get the job done. It's gonna sit right in place. Y'all see, I was working yesterday too. Painted the fur wall black. I'm gonna go over with another coat. I'm gonna hit that back wall today. Hit that wall last, cause all this stuff gotta come out. So it'll keep y'all up to date. But right now, I'm about to go ahead and get the flywheel. I'm gonna jack it up, pull it out there. I'm gonna put the flywheel on. Go ahead and put the start on, cause I can wire the start up while it's in the car. I got so much clearance, so I ain't gotta drop it to put the wires on. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Flywheel and starter and oil filter, and then I'm put the oil in it. Pour the Rotella break-in oil. So yeah, the goal today is I'm not gonna try to wire everything up. I want to get it sitting in there, motor mount bolts in, and I want to get transmission bolts in, and the torque converter bolts, and possibly the header, the quote unquote hard stuff. But if all else fails, I want to do at least motor mount bolts, torque converter, and transmission bolts. And then the headers, I mean, I'm not worried about all that. That stuff is on the top. So let me get all that done. Then we finna go in with it. Alright, y'all. So I got got all my tools I need. Y'all know I bought new flywheel bolts. I bought new starter bolts because the bolts were mismatched and stuff. So I got all of that. I need to put a little oil on the ring and inside the filter, so I'm gonna wait to do that because I don't have the oil over here. Now, you do not want to put this flywheel on backwards. Y'all probably can't see, but it's a raised side right here. The raised side faces you. Do not put this thing on backwards. Do not put the raised side, the raised portion right here where the bolt holes go facing towards the motor, because it will be wrong. There's a pin. It lines up. It's crazy. I just noticed. Ain't no pin. Well, it would be right there. But sometimes they have a pin on it, but this one don't. But make note of, if it did have a pin where it would be, mine would be right there. It's actually another bolt hole. It's interesting. So yep, you just take this and knock that on there like that. Alright, so let me check in with y'all. Man, it been a good hour and a half. Y'all know I ain't finna lie to you. It been a good hour and a half putting this thing in, cause this side right here was hung up. This junk kept hanging up over here. But I got it in. I got wifey to come out here to work the jack. And I had to push cause the arm long enough, but since it's on that front hole, you know it pivot the motor, so you gotta kinda push it. So I had to push it and shake it. And this side finally dropped on. I had the motor mount bolt in at first. When I was filming, and y'all saw the time lapse, I had got this side in, but this side kept hanging up, so I had to get her to come out here and work the jack so I can push on it. So I got it in, motor mount bolts in. I just got to tighten them down, hit them with the impact. I already got the transmission bolts in, you can see. I just got to tighten up and down. I got them all in though, this whole side in, and I got one more. No, I got two more over there, and then that'll be all the transmission bolt. So this side right here, when this side dropped on, this side lined up perfect, and I put these 3 in just like that. But that side had a gap in it, so that's why I hooked the engine hoist back up to pull it right here in the front, to pivot it forward, and then that side just snapped in place. I meant, and now I just lined up perfectly, set on the pins. And now just putting the bolts in by hand. So I'm showing y'all that. Somebody said they want to see how it do. Sometimes you have problems made in the transmission, but for the most part, I mean, it ain't too bad. Like when I got this side to sit down, it slapped right on the pins. It sat right down on them. Then I just jacked up right here and got this side to come meet the engine. So yeah, that one met. I'm about to move the engine hoist, cause I'm done with it now. And yeah, I'm about to try to get the bottom done. I mean, I thought some rain was coming in, but I got some sunshine, so I'm about to try to do what I said I'm gonna do. Get the torque converter bolts in, transmission bolt, and motor mounts tightened down, and the headers. That's what I'm trying to do today. Cause I gotta paint some more too, man. I'm really tired already. But I ain't put the distributor in yet, cause I got a priming tool coming. Then I'm putting on the drill and prime the engine. Take the valve cover off. You gotta prime it. Make sure oil coming through all the rockers. So I'm gonna do that. Priming tool will be in Friday. So like I said, I'm priming the engine up inside the car. Then you know, put the distributor in, all that good stuff. Spark plug, everything down here after that. But let me get to work. Let me get the torque converter bolts and stuff done, and then we're gonna get to it. So we're checking back in. Been getting it in, as y'all can see. Meech is off the jack stand. So I got everything on the bottom done. Starter on, transmission bolts in. I was actually able to reach all the transmission bolts from the top, except that one down there at the bottom. A lot of clearance, but that was a breeze. Converter bolts in. I took the belt off so I can turn the motor a little easier. Then to pop the belt back on. I'm working on the headers now. The headers, y'all know ain't no hangers on them, so they dragging the ground, putting it in the bind. So I got the jack to level it out, making it a whole lot easier. So I'm gonna get these two bolts in, drop the gasket in there, then hit that side, then jump over to the other side. And the sun out, so I'm gonna keep rolling. I'm gonna get done whatever I can get done. So I'm gonna just keep rolling with it. I gotta hook the wires up though, the starter wire, which I can reach them from up here. I'm gonna put the wires on before I tighten this header down. So, I gotta run that ground back over there too, on that bolt. So yeah, we rolling along, man. Drop the radiator in, all this stuff. So, get it up to the point. Might get it up to the point where all I gotta do is prime it, then drop the distributor. So, y'all just stay tuned.
Cedro, you've done it again.
So I'm checking back in. This is where I'm at today. This is where I'm stopping. Cause y'all see, it's about to come. It's about to get real. So I'm stopping right here today, but I got more than what I planned on getting accomplished. Cause I wanted to just get the motor mount bolts Well, I didn't get the headers, but I still, it about even out. Cause I got some little stuff done. I got the power steering lines in. Radiator halfway in. I just got to put that bottom hose on, then put the top fan shroud P. But it's done start thundering on and off. Well, y'all hear it. It's thundering now. So went ahead and poured the oil in there to make sure I don't forget that. Went ahead and poured the rest of the oil, so let it sit. That way it have time to settle. And a good thing, while I was working, the priming tool came today actually. So it was next day. I just ordered it last night. So the priming tool came today, so that's a good thing. I can put it on the drill and prime it. It's gonna take about 40-45 minutes of priming. So I can prime the engine up and all of that. I got the oil pressure gauge hooked up. While the distributor out, I got all that clearance. Last time this one bolted to the thing. I got that bolted to the transmission bolt. Start on, like I said, I gotta put the head on. Just gotta slip the wires down there and hook that ground up. Little stuff, it's little small stuff, man. Another half a day, this thing will be running. The hard part out the way. I mean, beside them headers, gotta fight with them headers. I got the fan on too. I had to actually take the clutch off. Cause it was a bolt stuck in there. It was a stud and the nut was stuck on it, so I had to put grip pliers on it. So I did that off camera, y'all didn't know it. So I took the clutch loose and got that old stud out. So yeah, we good. I mean, good progress, man. The engine in there, it bolted down. Before long, we're gonna have oil pressure again. And man, I was looking at something, I was like, I don't know why I did this. I guess I was just working. I don't know why I took the transmission lines off like I was going to take the transmission out. I ain't even have to do that, but it's all good. I just thought it was funny because I tripped out, man. I was like, why the hell did I take these off? But anyway, that's it. We got the priming tool, so that was the last piece I was really waiting on. That was going to pretty much keep me from firing it up. So, I mean, we good to go, man. That's it. Old Jack did his job. First job. Staying here to put the work in. Good Jack. So yeah, we good to go, man. So before long, Meech will be fired up again. We'll have oil pressure. We'll be back on the road, rolling again. This time everything is good, everything perfect. So yep, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I'm gonna be back with some more footage. I don't know if I'm gonna have a video after this one because I think it's gonna rain all day tomorrow, but the next day I'm going in. So the next time y'all see me turn the wrenches on this thing, we might be firing it up, cause I'm gonna prime it. If I do get a little break where it ain't raining, I'm gonna prime it. I'll do that off camera, so next time y'all see it, it'll already be primed. But yeah, that's it, y'all. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Meech's coming back. I'll catch y'all on the next video. I'm out.